What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to do a quick unboxing of the EOTECH. We have here the EXPS2-0. I know there's a lot of different ones, just the XPS series as well as the S3 series. I have another video up on the channel explaining the differences if you're looking to pick one of these up. So if you want, go check that out. But for this one, we're just going to do a quick unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing, it does come in a nice packaging here. We have our cardboard. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this off so that way we can get to the shell. And there we go. Just all the specs and stuff on there. And then nice, they give you this nice box. So I probably, because EOTECHs are ungodly expensive, I probably spent $200 just for this nice case that I am not going to use. But that's all right. Open it up, we get a nice EOTECH sticker. All right, add it to the collection. We got a manual, a quick reference card on how to use it, as well as mounting for it as well. Product registration for filling that out. And then of course, we have in the box here, all packaged nicely, the optic. So looks awesome. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this now. All right, so here's the optic here. Again, this is the EXPS2-0. So the difference between this one is it does come with the quick detach or quick attach lever here. All you have to do is push this down and then lever off, and then you adjust this to the right tension for the rail that you're gonna be putting it on, and then you can quickly snap it on and off. And the whole thing behind this is it's supposed to hold zero pretty well when you pop it off and put it back on the same rail. So we will get to testing and make sure and see if that is true though. As well, this is just the normal, let's see if there's batteries in it. Oh, yep, sure enough, there is batteries. We have the donut of death, which isn't gonna show up on camera here, but there is the circle, which is one dot in the center for this model. There is one with two dots, and that's the EXPS-2. So just a heads up there. Otherwise, we got our controls on the side, and then we have our adjustage for moving it up and down, as well as left and right. And then as well, here we have the battery. So to get into the battery, all you have to do is unscrew that. It's a CR123, I believe is the battery that pops in. Nice thing about that is it's the same battery that TLR as well as Streamlight uses for a lot of their flashlights. So if you buy a big bundle pack, you can move it between your EOTECHs as well as your flashlights that you use. But overall, not too much that comes with it. The most expensive thing is this, obviously. And again, we probably paid a pretty penny for the box. But it's supposed to be super good quality. I'm excited to test this out and get it attached on, and I'll have some updated videos later on down the road. With that, that's it for this video. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always got more content coming up. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.